Hey, many small businesses, they always ask me whether they should build their own custom software solution or should they buy off-the-shelf software. And I always try to recommend based on the pros and cons of what's needed for their business. And so in this video, I'd like to go over those pros and cons with you. My name is Ray, and I'm a senior software engineer, architect. I'm also the founder and owner of Grata Software. And in my business at Grata Software, we focus on helping small businesses specifically build the right technology they need in order to grow and scale their business past that first phase, beyond the startup phase. When I have these conversations with these companies, I try to go over a lot of these cons and these pros in order for them to make the right decision. And today I want to go over first going to go over the cons with you, and then I'm going to go into the pros. First con when you're starting to develop your own software, if you're going to build your own custom software, is you're committing to 100% of that capital and the resources that you need in order to build that software. So if, let's say, you're a business that's a general contractor and that's what you do and you have all your resources for that, you're going to have to hire a whole nother set of resources specifically to build your own custom software. The second thing is your business has a core competency, and when you start to go into the tech side, when you're not a tech company, you start to sacrifice the core competency of what you do really well. So again, back to that general contractor. If you're a good general contractor and that's your core competency, you're now sacrificing your business's core competency by going into technology. The last con that I like to bring up is the fact that it leads into scope creep. Companies, they let everybody make a decision as to what they want in the software. So you'll have the marketing people say something, sales will say something, operations will say something, and altogether it'll lead to a lot more scope creep of the project and cost a lot more money. The pros, I think, far outweigh the cons when it comes to a lot of this. The first pro about owning your own or having your own software or custom software solution is the fact that you own it. You own the data, you own the data model, you own the operations, the functions, everything. So when you want to make adjustments to it or make it operate specifically for the way your business works, you have total control of that. The second pro about having your own custom solution is that the data is your data. Some companies will not provide you that information because they own the data. It's within their systems and they don't give it to you. And if they do give it to you, you have to go through a process to get it. However, if you build your own custom software solution, the data is yours. You can manipulate and do whatever you want with it and how you want with it. A super important piece about a pro about having your own software solution is that when you have your own software solution, you're building essentially a product within your business. And so what that means is that when you're building that solution that's within your business, you're essentially developing a brand new product that makes your business more efficient and more effective. What that does, it does two things for you. Number one, it makes you a more efficient against your competitors, but it's also developing intellectual property within your business. That could add a lot more value to selling your business. And then in turn, the second component of that is that, like one of my customers, you can take that specific solution that you created and you can turn around and you can sell it to your competitors, essentially making a whole nother revenue stream and a whole nother product. Now, I'll tell you that having off-the-shelf software is necessary when you're starting your business, right? So when you first start, you want to have off-the-shelf software because you don't know what your operations are, you don't know what you're building yet, and how your process and procedures are going to flow. So that's why it makes total sense to go that route. But now when you're looking at scaling past that first tier after your startup phase, then yes, you want to start looking at ways that you can either have some type of custom solution, unless you can find an off-the-shelf system that actually will handle your business in the way that you actually need it to handle from beginning to end. So now if you want to learn more about this business and technology and how it can help your business, definitely like and follow in this video. We'll be posting more videos about this, and I want to thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.